The Venture into Volunteering Fair is an exciting annual event which connects community members like yourself to volunteer opportunities that are out there in the community. We've partnered again with the Beacon 50 Plus Expo, and they also have resources available that day. It's an exciting event where you can come out and learn about lots of information as well as volunteer opportunities. We have nonprofit and public agencies with lots of different missions, everything from helping out with the park authority to animals, helping individuals with mental health issues, housing, food insecurities, anything that you're interested in, we will have opportunities there that you can learn about. It's also for anybody, so any age, any ability. We have flexible opportunities for those people who are busy, may work at home, or may be looking for even a long-term commitment. But there's lots of opportunities and values. So if you've thought about giving back, this is your chance to come out and learn about how you can do that.
For decades now, the Beacon newspaper has been very proud to present annual 50-plus expos for older adults and their families. You can come and find information of all sorts from independent agencies and government agencies and businesses of all types. And we also have health screenings and vaccines for everybody.
Volunteering can have a real and lasting impact, not just on the people and causes that you're serving, but on yourself as a volunteer. And so it's a great way to gain new experiences, meet new people, and help to build a stronger, more connected community. So it's just a wonderful way to give back and spend your time.
On Sunday, October 5th from noon to 4, join us at Springfield Town Center. Come in the main entrance, register for door prizes at the registration table, and have a great time looking at all of our exhibitors, at the volunteer opportunities, and also don't forget to get your health screenings and vaccines.